A forgotten playoff between two underdogs in the 1950s hides a turning point where a coach deployed a flexible backline that swapped its shape mid-game to trap the opponent in offside traps. The adjustment, barely noticed at the time, unlocked a transient space between lines, allowing quick one-touch combinations that broke a stubborn defense. This pivot didn't scream brilliance, it whispered control, turning desperate counters into patient, replayable pressure that shifted club and national strategies. Subtle as a heartbeat, the move echoed through generations of midfield play. Finally, the lesson endures. Reading space beats raw speed when minds map the field.